Downlink precoding, PMI versus SRS. So precoding, shaping the signal before transmission to send it more accurately to the users. That is called as precoding. Shaping the signal before transmission to send it more accurately to the users. In 5G, there are two main methods which help the downlink precoding. PMI based, left side. PMI based. So PMI, it is a precoding matrix indicator. How it works: the device UE measures the special reference signals called CSIRS, channel state information reference signal. Then it picks a precoding matrix from a predefined codebook. It will pick the precoding matrix from a predefined codebook and sends the choice PMI, precoding matrix indicator, back to the G node. And this is used for both FDD, frequency division duplexing, and time division duplexing systems. So when this should be used, when rank indicator is greater than number of SRS antennas. In simple words, when sending multiple layers and no SRS switching available. When the rank indicator, which is greater than the rank indicator is greater than the number of SRS antennas. SRS antennas means in 5G new radio technology, sounding reference signals. These are uplink reference signals transmitted by UE to the base station. These signals are used to assess the uplink channel quality, allowing the network to perform channel estimation and enable features like adaptive beamforming and massive MIMO. So these are sounding reference signals. So a rank indicator is greater than the number of sounding reference signal antennas. At that time can be used. In simple words, when sending the multiple layers and no SRS switching is available. Drawbacks is less granular cursor control, limited support for very advanced multi-user MIMO. SRS based. So SRS is sounding reference signal. How it works? The UE sends SRS signals back to the G node B. The G node B listens to these SRS signals. Sounding reference signals, to understand the channel directly. No need for UE to pick anything from codebook. And it is used only for TDD system because of reciprocity. Uplink and downlink use the same frequency. So when to prefer it? When the rank indicator is equal to the number of SRS antennas. Easier when antennas switch. Advantages are more granular, very fine and precise channel knowledge, better for multi-user MIMO, can serve many users accurately. So considering the aspect and PMI based or SRS based, we'll talk. When we consider system as an aspect, PMI based, it is used in FDD and TDD. SRS based, it is only TDD, as already mentioned. Feedback, PMI, it will use codebook based. It is codebook based, and SRS based, it is reciprocity based. Purely it depends on the SRS itself. It doesn't require codebook. Complexity, PMI it is lower and SRS is higher. Multi-user MIMO support limited PMI based. It is limited when it comes to multi-user MIMO support. When it comes to SRS based, it is excellent. Use cases when RI is greater than SRS and no switching. SRS based when RI is equal to SRS and with switching. In use case, already it is mentioned, where rank indicator is greater than SRS, that time PMI based that comes into picture. SRS based in RI uh, is equal to the SRS antennas. Switching of antennas becomes very easy. So maximum port CSIRS 32, SRS based not limited in same way.